Hello and welcome to Dev Connections 2012 from Las Vegas. I'm Tim Huckaby and I am very pleased today because we got one of those corporate bigwigs, but one of those corporate VPs from Microsoft that also stays dirty on the keyboard doing a little coding. Jason Zander, thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you, Tim. I'm happy to be here.
So you did a big keynote with thousands of people here at Dev Connections and made them all happy because you partied in Visual Studio and made some pretty exciting announcements too. Do you mind summing it up quickly for us?
Yeah, sure, absolutely. I mean, we have Visual Studio 11. We've just released the beta. It's been out for a few weeks, so I'm getting a lot of really great feedback on that, so I'm excited to see that. So this morning we ran through some of the new features that are available, just make sure everybody's got a chance to see it, play with it, give us feedback on it. We also announced a couple of key things. One, our new feature packs that we're releasing for the Ultimate product. So by the time we get done, we're going to ship the current version, then we'll have Ultimate. Feature packs that come out, that means we're going to continue to give you value right after that as part of your subscription, because I don't want you to have to wait for 2 or 3 years, you know what I'm saying? It's like, you need to keep getting value.
We're developers, we need Visual Studio moving.
That's right, continuous
right.
In all sense of the word. So that's one new thing that we announced this morning. In addition to that, Brian Hare just announced this morning that we've got Build in the Cloud now for Team Foundation Service. That's the software as a service version of TFS. So,
which makes total sense, right? I mean, we all knew it was coming, TFS in the cloud, it absolutely makes sense.
I mean, how nice is it though to be able to just say, look, I want to build, you go figure out the machines, right? So I mean, this is nice and self-service, easy to go use. It's a really natural kind of feature to have.
And one could expect we're getting a little developer productivity out of your product too.
We are working very hard every single release on that, okay? So I mean, a few different things. One, we did a lot of simplification, removed a bunch of kind of extra, toolbars, status bars, that kind of stuff. Search everywhere, including for commands, which is pretty cool. And then, the other stuff that I really those are kind of in the IDE. The other stuff that I really like, writing a bunch of code, is some of the productivity stuff that are directly related to authoring code. So for example, a cool feature that we've got, if you're editing CSS, background color or color things, we have an inline color picker that just shows up in the editor while you're typing, so you can just go use it. We've got some other tools that are cool. Like the other thing is you're building up these nice complicated, lots of different parts in your website. So things like Page Inspector, both for Windows 8 Metro as well as MVC applications, etc. I can actually go in and dynamically figure out, well, why is that thing purple and blinking? That's not what I intended. So those are like productivity features that help you write, get the problems quicker, fix them up.
My God, you just named like 45 features.
I got more.
So, all right, let me put you on the spot, and then I'll let you go. We're all downloading like crazy. We're downloading the new bits, the new beta. What's your favorite feature? What should we attack first that would be new and exciting? Yeah,
so I would say that the coolest thing to me, the stuff that I really love, is all of our new Scrum support that we've got in TFS. Just somebody who's leading engineering teams and kind of figuring out where we're at, and just watching the way in which our own team has used it and how it's kind of helped us with Scrum and Agile. Just get a whole bunch of projects, eliminate debt, that kind of thing. It's been really fun to go watch that.
Process.
So
right?
It's a process.
Yep,
I'm an engineering lead.
I get it. You're an engineer by trade.
That's right.
Awesome. Hey, Jason, thank you so much. And thank you guys for watching.